The default view for Loupe Desktop is the log messages queue, which is great for finding any session errors or warnings quickly. But Loupe Desktop has other ways for users to get big picture information from their session data using the new session view. The new session view feature allows you to make graphs, charts, and grids from the data in your session. Let's make a new chart. Here in the new session view, we see a list of available metric data for us to use. Let's start by making a chart that shows processor usage during the session. I can simply drag the metric onto the main display area, and Loupe will make the chart for me. Loupe can chart multiple metrics at the same time. Just drag any additional metrics you want to see onto the display area. Now, if I wanted to show this chart to a colleague, I can export it as an image with the Export PNG button. Let's use another view. This time, I'm going to create a chart that shows the frequency of specific database queries in the session. In this menu, I'll set the chart as grouped by query name and change the chart series from average to count of. Now we have an interactive bar chart. I can hover over each bar to see the full query it represents. I can also go into the Data tab and get more detailed information on each query. By expanding this query, I can view every single instance of it in the session. Finally, let's take a quick look at the data grids. I'll drag the database query metric onto the display area to make a data grid showing various details about each database query in the session. I could even export this data as an Excel file. Thanks to Loupe Desktop, I could view my logging data in new ways.